Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. I just wanted to do a quick TA update on DogeCoin and just kind of see how it's played out, because I did have a couple people asking me again what I think is going to happen. So yes, currently I'm in the bathroom because you guys know I really only have time to do TAs or stuff like that when I'm at home and I'm in the bathroom where I'm working out, where I'm going to go right now. I'll probably do an Ethereum Classic TA. Heads up, I'm extremely bullish on Ethereum Classic right now. It's absolutely insane. But anyways, back to Doggy. I don't think I'm gonna do it really quick. I don't think this TA is gonna take too long. Because it does look like we're basically playing out exactly what I told you guys. I'm like, it's gonna hit these tops of the 66 mark, gonna go back down. It's either gonna trade sideways and go back up, or it's gonna go back down to 44 cents and then run to the upside. The bad news right now is if I had to short Doggy, I would absolutely do it right now. We are creating tops on the stochastic, and for that custom creation, the reverse MACD, it just gave me that green bubble that basically indicates that a bunch of bear movement is about to take place. Last time we actually had this happen, keep in mind, last time this happened, we went from highs of, actually not there, right there. We went from highs of, 42 cents, down to lows of 26 cents, roughly 25 cents at peak high, peak low, right? And we went down 26 cents, or we went about 62, or we dropped about 62%. At these levels, basically gauging what happened last time, if we dropped 26 cents from these highs right where we peaked right here, and this peak is actually not, this is not a good peak, man. This is low. So we'll drop 26 cents, which is around, we might, let's keep it at 44 cents, because I think that peak is going to be, I think that we'll keep that, it's roughly around this range. It's a fib level and it's a point of support. So I do think that there's a very solid chance we just started a downtrend down to 44 cents as of right now. We are essentially looking at losing about 14 cents, right? So, 26 cents. What am I even doing, bro? 26 cents. 26 cents would put us like right here. 26 cents would put us at like 32 cents. I don't know what this fib level is. I don't know why I thought it was going to be up here. But if we do drop 62%, so let's kind of gauge at what exactly can happen based off of the previous drops, right? So before, let me see, 60, it's like 60 something percent, right? So last time we dropped 62%, right? And we did that in 3 days. So we'll do that right there, 3 days, same thing here. 3 days, we dropped 62%. We'll leave it, whatever, that's close enough. So as of right now, let me switch to the week so we can get a better view of this. As of right now, see, last time we had that, last time we basically, you see that success thing, it basically means we hit it exactly to it. Well, not exactly, but in that same range, right? So right now, after we just had this day cross to the bearish side, you see right there on the reverse MACD, and we also created tops, right? And that that red line is over the blue line, which is indicating a bearish movement. And we also had that day trigger on a sell through. So if I was actually going to short Doggy, I would start right now. I would basically 100% short DogeCoin right now, 100%. There's no chance about it. I do think that with this fall, we might see a fall down to 44 cents, but just based on previous falls from the last time we actually crossed on these same indicators, we did drop roughly around 26 cents, 27 cents, which would put us at around 30 cents, 32 cents. Or if we drop on that percentage, it'll probably drop us down to closer to like 22 cents, 25 cents. As of right now, I don't know how far down this bearish market is going to be, or this bearish pull down is going to be for DogeCoin. Especially with Saturday coming through, this would be a perfect indication of, buy the rumor, sell the news, especially with Elon Musk talking on Saturday, right? And this is basically a perfect move downwards on the buy the rumor, sell the news thing. I can definitely see Doggy tanking from here down to, like I said, down around that 30-cent level or that 22-cent level, depending on if you think it's going to drop by previous like price points or percentage. Again, we did drop. We did bounce off this 53-cent, 54-cent level, and we jumped a little bit higher, right? But as of right now, because we did cross over onto that bearish sentiment, I do think we're gonna have a harder fall. And I did see, Ethereum Classic is running. I just saw ADA running too. So I think what can possibly happen here is the doggy drop can potentially be bigger than what we think it's gonna be, because money from Doggy might actually start selling out and be put into other altcoins. So I definitely have seen Bitcoin drop a little bit further than it should. As you guys know, I'm still shorting BTC right now. I'm still going to be shorting it. And also, I think altcoins are regular altcoins are actually starting to run, especially with Ethereum pushing up, Ethereum Classic pushing up, ADA pushing up. There's a lot of altcoins that are starting to run, and I think that's due to the liquidity of being taken out of DogeCoin and being put into other alternate coins. So yeah, as of right now, I have to say that I am bearish on DogeCoin. And I mean, I would 100%, and especially after we just made this stronger bear candle on the MACD, right? And then we're still going down on stochastic. So yeah, I would definitely take a sell or a short right here if I could short DogeCoin right now. I think we're definitely going to drop a little bit further. Minimum, I see a drop. We're at least going back to 54 cents. I think that's definitely possible. Like we're going back to 44 cents. Statistically, there's like a 70% chance, we'll go back to around 44 cents or so. But if we do play out like last time, we might even go all the way down to that 31 cent, 32 cent, maybe 22 cent level as the most extreme bear case. But yeah, as of right now, yeah, I'm bearish on DogeCoin. I'll see you guys later.